How many of you are looking forward to go to heaven? I'd love to see heaven right now. I'd love to experience just a little bit of heaven. Some of you saying, man, I'm treated so well by my family, I am in heaven. Well, you can't compare anything upon this earth. You see, heaven is a perfect earth. Do you know that? It's a perfect place where there's no decay, where there's no death, where there's no sickness, where there's no sin, where there's no crime, where there's no load shedding. Jesus Christ himself is the light of heaven. Where there's no potholes in the road. The gold cannot get potholes. It's too hard. Amen? You see, there's none of the problems, the things you're facing upon this earth. There's no sadness. There's no loss. There's no stress. Can someone say amen to that one? You see, all of us have this built into us to want to experience heaven. How does God show us His love? By preparing a place for you and me, dear. To prepare a place where He says, I go ahead of you. Jesus says it to us in the Bible. To prepare a place for you. Where I am, I also want you to be.